Hello everybody and welcome to Bitcoin AI price prediction. My name is Predrag Danicic and let's try to make this short one. On 15th of June I sold my crypto asset. I made video about this, and on 22nd of July I made one more video when I was essentially telling you to sell all your crypto asset. We will see those positions on the chart later. We will see what my AI script is predicting, and I will just give you one short insert from couple of days ago when we touched 100,000 for briefly. We went below 100,000 briefly. This video I never uploaded because simply when I was recording, after recording I realized that I set up wrong resolution, so resolution here is totally off. Anyway, I will shut up now. I will tell you short clip from this video just to prove that I was right. Today I am really certain that this is the end. Everybody is waiting right now. One more push during the... Do we have error? Yes. One more push during last quarter of this year, before New Year. One more push to align with 4-year cycle, and then to sell, and then everybody will be happy, because after that bear market can come, because when you have one more push, one leg up, so you can sell, take your profit that you missed to take here, and immediately after that bear market will come, but you will have a lot of money to buy in the bear market. This is not how it works. Most of the people will wait for this jump, which will not happen, or if this recovery of price happen, it will be much lower than many people expect. It will maybe reach 106, 110, maybe 112, but it will not reach the height that you are hoping for and that most people are hoping for, because if it reaches height that most people are hoping for, that means that we are getting new money in the market, a lot of new money in the market, and it means that bull run is not over. Simple as that. So it will not reach the levels that most people are hoping for, and we will start dropping again. What will happen after that? Okay, I hope that you heard this insert. I'm standing to my position. This is exactly how it played out. Let's go just to trading view, and first of all, Bitcoin dominance. When I look this chart, remove free drawings, I will be quite honest with you, I don't know what is going on with this chart. I don't know how price will go regarding Bitcoin dominance, but it is plausible. If I have to guess, I would guess that it will start going up again the same way it was going here. Higher, it will continue climbing, but really slowly over long period of time during the next bear market that hopefully you are aware that it will come soon. Anyway, let's move to daily chart. What I wanted to tell you about daily chart, I also wanted to speak about it, but I did not have time. Take a look at this day here. This day, I will mark it once more. Here. What happened on that exact day? On that exact day, okay, I will. Fuck you. On that exact day, Trump announced tariffs that he will re-implement new trade war with China because China did some stuff with rare earth. We will not discuss geopolitics here, okay? Important thing is that Trump said, hey, I am putting new 100% tariffs on China. And soon after that, like few days later, probably somewhere here or somewhere here, what happened? They reached agreement. He said, okay, those tariffs on China will not happen really. But what happened in meantime? Price did not recover. Price did not reach the level where it was before that announcement. So you have bad news, price drops, this bad news disappears. If you are in bull run, immediately after bad news, price would start going up. If there is a strength for new higher highs, price would start going up. And when this bad news was reversed, we would go even higher. None of this is happening. Now, how usually, because when I said I sold my crypto on 15th of June, I said that I sold, so just for the record, I sold it May, June, 15th, somewhere here. Somewhere here I exited the market, and this was all from me. By the way, I was exiting multiple times this bull run. On 8th of March I exited. I jumped in after I saw recovery from this drop here. I jumped in here. You have videos of that on my channel. I can show you this. I don't know where it was, but you can search it, go watch them. This is when I said I'm back again in on 5th of August. This is how much I remember. So anyway, then I jumped, I was trading somewhere here. I jumped back again here. I sold, I think here, bought again somewhere here, and sold somewhere here. This was my trip during this bull run. Of course, I was buying around those levels, or maybe around those levels. I don't remember anymore. My apologies. Remove 11 drawings. So what will happen in the future? In the future, essentially, what we can expect is that everybody is hoping for recovery of price, and recoveries will happen. Look at previous bear market. We had recoveries of 40% jump in the Bitcoin price. So recoveries will happen. But if you ask me where we are, at the moment we are either here or here. Previous bear market ended after this was Celsius network collapse, this was collapse of Terra Luna, and this was collapse of FTX. So I think third biggest stable coins, one Ponzi scheme that was that we were thinking, or some were thinking that it was lending platform, and FTX second or third largest crypto exchange collapsed in the previous bear market. What you should think, how you should recognize that it is the end of bear market? Well, first thing, you should save your USDC and stable coins, not USDT. This is the first thing. Maybe euro if you want, if you like to save if you are from Eurozone or from Europe. So first thing, when something big starts collapsing, then it is possible that it will be end of bear market, and you should consider start buying. And second option is, let's just copy paste bar parter. Okay. Second option is that you just wait for 1 year. And if you wait for 1 year, it will be November of 2026. And in November of 2026, price can get to, if we copy paste previous bear market, price will get to below 40,000. And then it will be great time for buying. I also think that you should not consider entering market before price of Bitcoin doesn't go at least below 50K. And the biggest buy signal that I am expecting and I am hoping to see is a collapse of USDT. USDT is not covered by real world money, and it is, we all know how they printed it. Everybody who was in crypto for long time ago know how they printed it. Voidzilla made a lot of videos about it, CoffeeZilla actually. So if USDT collapse, then it will be, I think, a really good time for buying. And of course, if that stablecoin collapse, it will probably pull with himself maybe some exchanges and maybe some other coins. Anyway, I think, yeah, there is one more thing. I'm staying out of the market completely, and I will stay out of the market for quite some time. I will make videos from time to time if something interesting happens, but I will not make really regular videos. Regarding my AI script, by the way, results of this script you can see, sorry for this, BTC, AI price prediction, open in new window. Okay. Every day my script is predicting was it correct or not. Essentially it is trying to predict will price of Bitcoin be higher or lower in 30 days from now, and if it gives me chance above 0.5, I consider this script bullish. If it gives me result below 0.5, I consider this script bearish. Let's see how it was behaving. Actually, let's see how much it was correct during the last year. Select, no, search, where date is greater than 1st of January 2025 and is correct equal to 1, limit to 500. 209 times it was correct, and how many times it was wrong? 77 times it was wrong. Plus 77. 73% accuracy so far. I made first video on my channel that is explaining. By the way, this channel is free of charge. I am not charging anything for my services except you can like and subscribe. This script is I explained in the first video, I think, on my channel what I did exactly. It have about 4 videos and here 6. I was already crypto bear in March of 2024. What was the price of in March 2024? Ah, here. I was bearish here. Yeah. And I was right to be bearish there. Anyway, this AI script I will try to make second version, because in meantime this script is running 2 years. I will try to retrain it with new data and with bigger amount of neurons, because I increased amount of memory that I have on this PC. So I will try to retrain it when I find time, but this will not happen before New Year for sure. What this script is predicting, let's try to see. Here, as you can see, this blue thing here is actually prediction of this AI script, and let's try to no. Okay, maybe now it's a little bit better. So as you can see, those blue lines is prediction of script. If it is above 0.5, then it is bullish. If it is below, then it is bearish. And look how it was going since, let's say, since we reached about above 100,000, since this summer actually. When we were at 108,000, then we went to 120, from 110 to 120 in July, and then script came from really bullish to bearish to prediction started falling. It became really bearish. Then it spiked in price after this drop from 120 to 108, and then again started falling down. I will leave the link of these Google documents. I will share it with you so you can watch it for yourself. I am updating the data from time to time. This yellow stuff is just was it correct or not. If it is yellow thing below, I consider it not correct, and green thing is the price. And as you can see, recently it had a really relatively big spike that it became a little bit bullish, but then again it dropped down. Now it is 0.33, which I consider relatively really bearish. So my script is not how to say optimistic for next 30 days and thinks that price will be below 100,000 in 30 days from now. So far it is correct because today we were really red, partially because of the Fed, and all S&P 500 is red, but this is not something we are going to talk about in this channel and in this video. Anyway, if you like the content, my name is Predrag Danicic. From time to time I will upload videos so you can hear my opinion about current state of crypto market. Again, I was buying last bull run, I was buying somewhere in this period, probably also here. I know that I sold on 8th of March here. I bought again here on 5th of August, but during the night when price was already recovering, I did not bought it for the 49,000, I bought it for 56,000 or something. When already recovered for almost 10%, yeah. And then I was trying to trade, not successfully. Here I think I jumped in. Then I exited after Trump election, after Trump won the election. Sometime, probably here, maybe here. And I was out of the market this period. Until here or until somewhere here. Maybe I should mark it when I was out of the market. Brush. This period I was out. Let me highlight. This period I was out of the market. This period I was out of the market. Something like that. And I was out of the market, let's see, when June, 12th of June. So from here, and I will stay out of the market for quite some time. When I was in the market, let's just pick different color. Blue color, okay. Fuck you. I was in the market in this period. In this period, when it was nicely jumping. In, I guess this period or this period. Highlight it however you want. So yeah, I am not the best trader in the world, but then again, I was holding altcoins, and during this drop from here to here, during this green drop, most of the alts drop about 50%, so I was able to get a really nice amount of altcoins for my money just by staying out of the market. Anyway, if you want to earn money in crypto, my opinion is that the most important thing is not to buy when it is bull market, but to stay in stable coins when it is bear market. This is the most important thing. If you are out of the market when bears are out, when prices are really falling a lot, then other things are really easy, and then it's much easier to earn money in this world. I think this would be all from me. You will get this link, and you will get link to this Telegram channel, BTC AI price prediction, that is telling what script is predicting every day at same time. And here I'm writing if something happens, if I think that something important is happening that is worth mentioning, I usually write here, but let's be honest, I am expecting that nothing important will happen in 1 year from now. Maybe I will upload videos from time to time if there is some catastrophe, World War III or something. Okay, if there is World War III, then we will have much bigger problems, but if there is collapse of some crypto exchange, then I will write and just say, hey guys, now it's time to buy. Then I will also make a video about it probably. So like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.